Oxytocin, yes, it is very important for the laboring process because that's what helps your contractions to come on very strong. But oxytocin is also a feel-good hormone for the human body. So when you breastfeed your baby, your body is actually releasing a hormone that can help you feel good. Hello, moms and dads, and welcome back to Nurse Onyi Teaches. My name is Onyinye, and today I will be discussing some of the benefits of breastfeeding for moms and babies. Now, I do not believe that a woman's choice on how to feed her child is wrong because fed is best. However, breastfeeding does come along with some benefits that does not follow formula feeding, and I'll be discussing 5 of those for moms and 5 of those for babies today. And I'm just going to jump right into the video right now. When a woman first gives birth to her baby, she releases a very rich, dark yellowish milk that is known as colostrum. A lot of people address colostrum as liquid gold, and it's for a very good reason. That first milk is loaded with antibodies and fats and just so many nutrients that babies need to protect their intestinal gut area. It can help to provide a boost in the baby's immunity so that some of the diseases and conditions that mom deals with, those antibodies are transferred into the baby and begin to protect the baby naturally. Another benefit that babies realize from breastfeeding is that they are protected from many ailments and diseases like colds, ear infection, asthma, so many diseases that affect younger babies and at a greater intensity than older children. And this is because when a baby comes in contact with bacteria or viruses or certain pathogens, as the baby nurses directly from mom, those pathogens in the baby's saliva goes into mom's milk ducts, and mom's body will make antibodies that are then transferred back to the baby the next time baby breastfeeds. So mom, in essence, creates an immunity barrier for her baby as she nurses her baby. A third benefit of breastfeeding your baby is that your baby deals with chronic conditions such as asthma, as previously mentioned, and diabetes a lot less frequently than formula-fed babies. And this is because breast milk is nutritionally whole, so baby gets a full diet that is well-rounded and tailored to that baby's need, and therefore those trace minerals and nutrients that are frequently not well-balanced in the formula-fed baby are present for the breastfed baby. Another benefit of breastfeeding your baby is a reduced risk of obesity and the promotion of a healthy weight in babies. This is because breast milk is tailored to your baby's need, and if baby is nursed directly from mom's chest, he or she can stop exactly when full. This decreases the chances of overfeeding your baby if you, say for instance, give your baby a bottle that's pre-made and you're trying to make sure he or she is getting what you consider the right amount, where a less quantity would have been satisfying for that baby. It has also been proposed that breastfeeding your baby can increase the likelihood of having a smart baby. Breast milk contains DHA and ARA, and these nutrients are found to help stimulate brain cells, which helps your baby to learn and retain information better and faster. Also, when you bond with your baby and talk with your baby during breastfeeding, it also increases the child's communication ability and causes brain cell maturation, which can help with your baby's learning, not just then in infancy, but also as he or she grows later on in life. Now, keep in mind that breast milk is always the right temperature for baby, and as long as he or she continues to stimulate or you pump, that you can always make the right amount to take care of your baby's needs. Also, keep in mind that babies who are breastfed deal with constipation and gas troubles a lot less frequently than babies who are formula fed. Now, for mom, breastfeeding has a lot of benefits, but like I previously mentioned, I would only cover 5 in this video. The first thing is that breastfeeding can help mom to lose weight. If you are someone who needs to drop a few pounds after you've given birth to your baby, breastfeeding contributes to that by helping moms lose upwards of 500 to 600 calories per day. Now, it's important to state that this amount of weight loss is more readily seen in moms who exclusively breastfeed as opposed to moms who choose a hybrid feeding form such as part breastfeeding and part formula. If you pump your breast milk, it also counts because your body consumes energy to create that breast milk, and the pumping process also helps you burn a couple of calories. So keep that in mind. Breastfeeding your baby also reduces the risk of certain types of cancer, namely breast cancer and ovarian cancer. There are tons of research that support this. So if you have any more questions about how they can reduce these cancers, make sure you ask your doctor and he or she can provide you with a bit more information. Along with a decrease in the risk for certain types of cancer, breastfeeding your baby also reduces the risk for certain cardiovascular diseases and hypertension for moms. Another benefit of breastfeeding is the decreased risk of osteoporosis, especially later on in life. Women who breastfeed naturally pull calcium out of their bones, and because you are pulling it out, your body sends a message to your brain to release hormones that help to strengthen your bones. And the stronger your bones are made to or reinforced, the less the chances that as you age, you will get some broken pieces and air spaces between your bones. Because the weaker your bone structure is, the greater the risk that you can break it. And we don't need that. So that's one of the benefits that breastfeeding affords for a mom. Now, last but certainly not least, breastfeeding your baby can help you to manage your emotional state. Now, this is because when you breastfeed your baby, your body sends a signal to your brain and it stimulates a hormone known as oxytocin. Oxytocin then works to stimulate the release of prolactin, which causes your body to release and give your baby milk. Now, why did I feel the need to mention oxytocin? Oxytocin is made by everybody. However, when a woman gets pregnant and the closer she gets to delivery, the quantity of oxytocin your body makes increases because that helps to stimulate your uterus and get you birthing your baby. However, oxytocin is also a feel-good hormone that is naturally released by your body. And when you breastfeed your baby, a higher quantity of it is released, which means that your body is getting a higher dose of a hormone that can help it feel good. If you choose to exclusively breastfeed your baby, it is very important to make sure that you provide your baby with the right amount of vitamin D. As wonderful as breast milk is, it does not make vitamin D, and your baby must be supplemented to make sure that he or she is getting the right amount of calcium in their body, because without vitamin D, the body cannot appropriately absorb calcium. It's also important, mom, for you to keep in mind that a balanced diet is important while you breastfeed your baby. Make sure you are getting in the right amount of calcium and vitamin D alongside other minerals and vitamins. Your body is pulling out of your stores to ensure that the right balance is available in your baby's breast milk. So make sure that you are replenishing that as you breastfeed your baby. Now, if you have learned anything in the content of this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give the video a like, and then share this video with somebody who you believe can benefit from it. Make sure you come along with me as we build this community of learners. And until the next time, I wish you health, wealth, and stealth. Be blessed.